wow. One bag of cement, 11,500. You see what I mean? So many people, many of them, all talk on Lagos. Cement is now 7.5. Now where you see them for 7.5? This list was given to me this evening. 11.5. For where you see I'm 7.5, Biko. For where you see I'm 7.5. This list was given to me this evening. You know, I won't put small fence on top of one of my joint. 9K. I don't know where they sell on 9K. The people where I send the message gave me estimate. They say one bag na 11.5. If say there was competition, if say there was like 7 different cement makers, manufacturers in this country now, cement for be 200 a bag. Yes, now if you don't want bring your price down, I will go buy from that man where you own. They take longer to dry. It's okay, it go still dry. You know, but when there is no competition, whatever you want to, you know, competition is good. I buy 12,000 yesterday. You see, so my estimate is correct. If you buy 12,000 yesterday, that means 11.5 is about right. Making it in Nigeria is very, very hard, very difficult. Very difficult. Being genuine and upright does not pay in the zoo. Yes, being genuine and upright does not pay, because regular can never get you 3 rooms and parlor. Like regular I finished school and they work for one company like that. You got another company 30 years. You man wanted 3 rooms and parlor, bungalow, hula. You man, you got. You watch go Hulu Lagos. You watch go transportation Lagos. Me have for he saves ego. He get la village. Get bido investment. You know what? You watch go Hulu Lagos. You watch go transportation Lagos. In a Koku live eulogy. You know what? There's no hope, man. Country too hard. Dividing is the only option. Country too hard. Long. I'm just a wow. More of a one. Yahoo not the only option. Long, no, it sounds funny, but it makes sense. So it sounds funny, but it makes sense. Because reason now. Why person no go do Yahoo now? What go do why? Eh? What go do why? Why person no go do Yahoo when there is no other option? You know that? There's no other option. Yahoo be the only option. Oh. Yes, so they need to dismantle EFCC. Only arrest guys who scam their fellow blackie. Now waiting me I hear say Yahoo no easy again. Oh. Say now Yahoo Plus now in the rain now. They ask which one be Yahoo Plus. They say now to get Akuna and then collect the Akuna luck or good fortune. Will you blow? See, hey, primitive talk. Oh, more now to get one girl. That's how you see no girlfriend because then Igboye then you know the ozu every day you know the ozu for 7 days then you went go basasia but first you get convinced the girl no love as a konobo in a lot no boro akuna you know Unko ayara yeah convince you no boyfriend and girlfriend so that ibuzie ina araku ya neje so basically egara ozu for 7 days it you won't build like this 3 rooms have been at 7 rooms egara ozu for 7 days then my nigga oh Chineke Orisa oproma ala bekee ekele ngi 1 million times. Oh long. So basically, you boy your girlfriend begin around the dead body for 7 days extra. For 7 days extra. Then after 7 days, he went to everywhere. Now Yahoo Plus and say, hey. That one no be scam again now. That one na pure ritual killing. That one no be scam again now. That one no be Yahoo again. That one is back to Ogwego. That's that. Which one? Call Ogwego. Which one be Yahoo Plus? Eh? Call Ogwego. Which one be Yahoo Plus? That one no full. Which one be Yahoo Plus? Eh? Wiggle. Oh, I say now, wow. All this one for GL 350. All this one for GLE 350. With the Helox, oh, wow. Helox, and Azo. GLE 350. Oh. Oh, one wow, ihe niile mkpara aha na hancha na ere. Yeah, you park in one place. No driver, no toucher. Near 11 years. Or yapasia. Yes. Near 11 years. Or yapasia. No, without driving it. Just park in one place. Near 11 years. Or yapasia. Oh, my medical. Mmadụ na wow ihe mmadụ rụrụ of course ọ ga-ya kpasị onye rụrụ ya nwụọla say all of this something gerere you know now you go take the sleep with dead body for 7 days nah ojikwe gị na njọ Walai, Ojiginanjo. Chai, I don't want to be like you. Honey, Ugi Pata. Ojiginanjo. I don't want to be like you. Chai, Ugi Pata. I'm so grateful. Hey! Love. What do you not see? Oh Lord. Oh, na sag don't been selling. No more badge, you know they come. Oh, feel like I go just. I go just. ọṅụ mmiri na-aṅụ na-ese ọ dịkwa ka onwe ihe na-ese na-aṅụ na-ese ọ dịkwa ka onwe ihe na-ese na Chiji ya ga-enye m ọkụ eweghara ọkụ giving me reason to believe na eziokwu ọzụ ka Chiji ya ga-enye m ọkụ ewere ọkụ chiho daylight day everywhere enye m ọkụ. This is my reality now for 1 month. For 1 month. There. Massive shout out to everybody that's coming to my show, to everybody the way don't pay for table. Osisioma ENT. Massive shout out to Osisioma. Osisioma don't pay for table. I am Femzi, super duper fly. Femzi don't pay for table. These two people don't pay. Months before the show date. Asuwaju Slim. Shout out to you, Asuwaju. Thank you. Onaji. Come konyoya. Come say 1 or 2. Daddy guy. Sewa Omasa na-elem ka esekwanya bịa na ọ na-eme gan mana na-elekwa m fa chọrọ ka m na-elekwa m, meaning you find me attractive. Ise gị bịa nso na-eme I'm a good girl, and gị ga-achọ m. I'm a celebrity, international superstar, terereng. Ebe ọwụla m gara ihu m na market mkpọrọ gị pụọ that store where I carry you go, then go dey sell crazy without paying me. Yes, every now and then mmadụ ga-emekwa enjoyment. Everything no be pay, but everywhere I go people won't use me sell market, so it's hard to date. Everywhere I don't feel go gym. Then go use me, they advertise their gym. They know you get one time where I go buy music equipment. They don't even ask me. They begin to video me. They don't even ask me. They begin to video me inside the store. I just tire for the man. If they use me, they sell your stuff. You don't even ask me whether I want help. You don't know, say my face in my store. As I dare your store like this, they buy music equipment. Now, so my face is my store. You are using my product with your, like, if I spaz on you now, you go be like, say that guy into they do. Yes, I do they do, because if you don't monetize, you man really advertisement or kwado, it's based on likeness. Yes, come sell Hennessy is based on. So if the people where they give Hennessy advertisement no come like you come, you go end up famous and broke. If people where they give Mattel advertisement no come like you come, you go end up famous and broke. Nah, fuck you. I they charge for picture because whether you understand them or you don't understand them. I they charge for picture. How else am I gonna eat? If people where they give recharge, waiting be name beer advertisement, no come like you. How you won't come see beer advertisement? So you famous and the broke. What a disgrace. Come on. If you bring camera around me, make sure you have cash. I don't want to be famous and broke. If you bring camera around me, make sure you have cash. Real talk. iTunes, you need to play my music 178 times on iTunes before I go see 1,500 naira. You go play my music 178 times before I go see $1, 1,500. Do you think there is money to be made? I don't think there is money to be made. And after you get 178 times on iTunes before iTunes and $1. Even my mama is not going to listen to my song 178 times. Even my mama go tire. Who won't listen? Now who? Even your girlfriend, your lover, want to get that. Whatever. Yeah. Even she no go play your music. You might hear 178 times. That's a long time. That's a long time. You can't do that in 24 hours. You need like 4 days. You need like 4 days. You know what? So it will be mana uborola get before you will home. They can get now before you will home 20 million. $10,000 before you home $10,000. You know what? It will be mana uborola get insanity. So money distribution account you went all. So you can't tell me my own reality. Oh, I forgot. iTunes will be working that 1,500 naira. Company nere megum nana kosiri mego. Were their own 10%. So 1.5 is no longer what I'm getting. Company na distribute through megum get with 10% from that 1,500 naira. So careful zrini we hem ne wete. You know, so one so if you know sabi monetize, then I mean I say in your mego. You know what? Injury your company, men na yemego, men na yemego. You know that kind of thing. If you know sabi chase them like please broke, famous and broke. That's your name, nigga. Famous and broke.